Welcome to Positive Change. In this video, we are going to discuss how to remain stable in change. Let's dive into the topic directly. 1. Remain with the self and introspect. Instead of being swayed by the various scenes of change in our lives, we should go within and tap our reservoir of positive, beginning to create ideas of stability, calm, and power within ourselves, and then returning to action with a purpose to adjust to the circumstance. 2. Look beyond the current situation. We often get concerned about what has occurred, why it has happened, and how we will cope with the shift when we face abrupt changes in our lives, such as in our health, fortune, family, or employment. Instead, we really have to look at change through the lens of wisdom and see how it potentially benefits us. 3. Take steps to flow with the change. Change may catch us off guard, and we might lose our bearings in life if we continue to reject it and prevent it from happening. However, we must recognize that change is an inevitable element of life. We shall save time and mental energy by flowing with it and adapting to it. 4. Bring change in the self and move ahead. Change your mindset and focus on increasing your strengths and becoming closer to your ideal self. A shift sends us a message that by combining our inner resources of serenity, love, joy, and power, as well as our treasures of ideas and time, we may create new and lovely circumstances that benefit us and others. 5. Keep God with you and ask Him for directions. When faced with a severe shift in their lives, some individuals remember God more. But it's better to have God in mind at all times. The closer we are connected, the sooner God directs and protects us in the midst of change, as well as guiding us through it. We'll get back to you in the next video with more refreshing or new content for you. You are always welcome to share your comments and suggestions to improve our content. Don't forget to subscribe to never miss a video. Good day.